What's up, y'all? We back again. It's another video. I'm LowKeyAD, and this particular video is going to be in our trade talk series. We're going to talk a little bit about patience in trading. This particular video was on the list for me to talk about, but I try to talk about videos when I'm actually either experiencing or just previously experienced something where in my psychology with trading, I felt the need to either be whatever the topic was, which in this case is patience. So, yeah, with that being said, with patience in trading, I've learned that especially if you're not a scalper, you're going to be sitting around waiting, especially in the beginning when you're learning, because the idea of setting a trade and walking away from the trade is going to be a little bit potentially overwhelming for you, especially when you have real money in the trade that you're taking. If you're not, if you're paper trading, then you can walk away. But if you have real money, even if it's like $100, like this $100 challenge that I'm doing, just walking away from the market is going to be like difficult for you to do. So you shouldn't feel bad. And you know what I'm saying, if you start in your trading journey, you find yourself sitting by your computer for long periods of time while you have a trade open, and trying to wait to see if it's going to do something, and it might not ever do it. It might consolidate for a while. It might put you in drawdown. Now you're waiting around more because you're in drawdown and you don't want to set a stop loss. And that's another thing. Setting a stop loss in and of itself is a point that I had to get to, which was the reason I would be sitting by my trade for long periods of time. Obviously, I'd be doing other things because I have multiple screens, so I might be on YouTube, I might be on Amazon, who knows. But just watching my trades, even if I was out running errands, I'd have my phone with my well, back in the day it would be MT4, MetaTrader 4, but now I have my trade locker open. I might watch trades. So instilling patience and having patience in the market definitely helps you along with your psychology, because it allows you to have a clear head when making the trade, have a clear head when you're dealing with drawdown, so you don't close a trade early, so you don't close a trade in a loss, especially if the market was just about to go in the direction that you saw it going into, which I've lost a lot of trades because I've got on trades too early after dealing with a little bit of drawdown, and after waiting for some period of time, just giving up on the trade and closing it, and then that's when my trader hit, or not having the patience and just getting out of a trade way too soon because of just drawdown, because my psychology was thrown off because the market didn't quickly move in the direction I thought it would. So yeah, this was just a quick little video to say, go on the journey, practice patience. Remember, you're not going to make hundreds of thousands of dollars, you know what I'm saying, overnight. You know what I'm saying, this is definitely a marathon. This is not a sprint when it comes to this trading game. So definitely manage your psychology the same way you manage your risk, you know what I'm saying, and be patient. It's going to come. The trades that you did a strong assessment from, some you might lose, but you'll notice yourself more times than none, as long as your technical analysis is on point, you will win the trades that you feel you're supposed to, more times than none, once you become a stronger trader and you see the market for what the market is giving you. But some trades might not take effect for hours, up into a day or two if you're an intraday trader like myself. You know what I'm saying? It's different for scalpers. That's a whole nother bag. And also for swing traders as well, you guys definitely have to be patient because you're waiting for what 4 5 days a week in up into the next trading week. So just set your trades, manage your risk, set your stop loss if you feel the need to, but also don't get caught up and let your psychology be thrown off if the trade is taking longer than you expected. You can still be in the right trade. You can still be profitable. It's just the trade is not going to move when you dictate it. It's going to move when it wants to move, and that's just the trading game. So yeah, that was just something that was on my mind that I wanted to get off to you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Happy trading.